Reader magnet, to attract new readers. What is it? A reader magnet is a short story or another piece of creative work that you use as a way to magnetize new readers to your work. It's also sometimes called a loss leader, borrowing from sales, because it's something you give away for free to allow your potential readers to preview your work, determine if they're interested in reading more, and potentially make a purchase. However, in my opinion, it's not a loss at all if you're using it to find new readers who will go on to read your body of work. What do you do with it? Oftentimes, a reader magnet is offered in exchange for signing up for your author newsletter to build your list, as an incentive to follow on any of your social sites, or simply because your book is so awesome everyone has to read it and you have a great big heart. An example. I wrote a novelette titled New Year with a Billionaire that tied into my series and posted it on BookFunnel, a site that hosts reader magnets, arcs, and gathers emails for people who opt into your newsletter. They create a page for your magnet and give readers the opportunity to receive the book if they'd like to sign up for your newsletter. This is strictly voluntary. They also handle ebook file conversion on the recipient's end, making the process really easy for readers. In less than a year, about 9 months, New Year with a Billionaire had over 6,000 downloads, which means I also got that many new newsletter subscribers. It's likely that not all of them like my book or stuck around on my newsletter, but when they do, I then have new fans that I can tell about all my subsequent releases. Where do you put it? You can share the magnet link in the front and back of your books and on your website. You can also give away your magnet in group promos and other promotion opportunities. Note, BookFunnel and other sites like this, including My Book Cave, Story Origin, and Prolific Works, vary in their range from free to paid services. It's good practice to ask around and see where other authors in your genre are seeing success with their magnets. What are the rules? There are no rules for your magnet other than that you want it to exemplify your work, so it should be as polished as a regular book. It can be any length, but I found the sweet spot is around 10,000 words. The cover should also be pro, as always. Since this magnet is going to be many readers' first impression of your work, treat your magnet like you would a real book. Tip. If you aren't in the position to offer a free reader magnet, but want something similar, you could price a book at 99 cents. This is what's called a loss leader, explained more in our lesson on pricing. And loss leaders can be beneficial, but they don't gather as many new readers as a freebie will. Other ideas. Additionally, you can offer the first book in a series for free, or a prequel, or deleted bonus scene. Your reader magnet does not have to be a novelette or part of your story series either. You can offer a map to the world you created, a recipe related to your book, coloring pages, really anything you think your readers would enjoy and would provide them value. Yes, even though it's free. Remember, you want to magnetize them to go check out your paid work.